how to fix Wi-Fi not turning on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi not turning on Android phone. First then just go to settings and scroll down until you find storage, and then click clean up. Now just wait. And that's it. All you need to do is just you need to clean cache here and then click delete. And that's it. Now just go back and it will be fixed. All you need to do is just restart your phone. And that's it. Now restart your phone. Click restart and that's it. It must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.